Alright guys, today I got this little scrap piece of plywood that I have left over from other projects, and I was just thinking to myself that I really would like to have some kind of little table in the living room to sit stuff on, and I was thinking maybe I could make it out of this, give it a shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut two long strips here, and those are going to make and then we're going to cut them in half, and those are going to make the four legs. They're going to be 2 feet tall and however wide, like 2.5 inches wide roughly. So that's going to be here, 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 and here. And then we're going to have our tabletop cut out here, and then we're going to have all our little side supports. We need 6 of them cut out here. And yeah, we'll even have some left over, should anyway. So we'll see how this design goes. I'm gonna use some pocket holes to put the top on, and a couple of the other supports, and we'll see how it comes together. Alright, so there you have it, our completed little end table out of some scrap plywood. It's not exactly a work of art, but it's going to match our little bookshelf in there, and it's functional. We'll get plenty of use out of it, so something nice just to make. And another thing that I just used up what I had, you know, had the screws and had the plywood laying around, had the paint left over from the shelf, the bookshelf. So just a fun little project, didn't take very long. and it'll get plenty of use. So I think that's going to be about it for this one. Thanks for watching.